Texan pulled beef. Heat oil in a large frying pan over a high heat and cook the beef for 2 minutes each side or until brown. Transfer to a slow cooker. Add onion, carrot, celery and garlic to the pan and stir for 5 minutes. Add oregano, cumin, paprika and chili powder. Cook for another minute. Then add this to the slow cooker. Add beans, tomato, stock and maple syrup. Stir to combine, then cover and cook for 6 hours on low or 4 hours on high. Transfer the beef to a bowl. Then use 2 forks to coarsely shred. Return the pulled beef to the bean mixture and season. Serve topped with sliced chili and coriander with warm tortillas on the side. This is perfect on a cold winter's day.